Once you've attached your probe and inserted your batteries into the EL-MOTE, you are ready for setup. Do not replace the backing plate at this stage. You will need to access this area in setup. Next, go to the Play Store and download the free EasyLog Cloud app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi network details to hand, as you will need these soon. Before opening your app, make sure your mobile data is disabled and you are connected to Wi-Fi on your smartphone. Open your brand new app and log in with your Cloud ID. In the menu sidebar, click Setup Device and select EL-MOTE. You can decide whether to set it up via Wi-Fi or NFC. Please note that for the first setup of a device, a Wi-Fi setup must be used. All subsequent setups can be done using the NFC option once a profile has been saved. For Wi-Fi, click the little red button in between the batteries at the back of the device and listen for a beep. The light on the front of the device should turn orange too. Click Next on your app and you'll then be asked to name your device and choose your sample rate and transmission period. You will then be asked to select your Wi-Fi and enter your Wi-Fi details. Then click Next to connect your logger. The logger will beep and setup will be complete. Create a profile name and click Exit Setup. Go to View Devices and then All to see your newly set up data logger. To read data from your logger or change device settings, including alarms, sample rate, and transmission period, tap on your device name and select your desired tab. You can then flick through the tabs to view your data on resizable graphs and add notes to each logged event. In Settings, you can set alarms for minimum and maximum limits reached. Alarms will sound on the device, notify you on the app, send push notifications to your phone, and alert you on the cloud. You will never miss another alert. Need to set up a second device? Use NFC for a quick and seamless setup. Go to Setup Device, choose the NFC option and your saved profile. Next, name your device and then hold the back of your phone over the NFC chip on the device to connect. With the cloud, you are able to view your data wherever, whenever. We hope we've helped you with your new EL-MOTE.